What's up, y'all? It's your boy Vic Johnson from the Sack Black Nation. Hope you're having a good day, good week, good month, and a good year. As you come in, go ahead and hit that like, hit that share, subscribe button, hit the notification button if you want to be notified when we got the next videos coming out. Once again, hit that like, hit that share, hit that notification button if you want to be notified when we got the next videos coming out. Like I said, once you come on in and hit that like, hit that thumbs up button if you really loving the content that we have here on the Sack Black Nation on YouTube right here. Like I said, I always wear my gear, Sack Black Nation. Just Google it if you want to know how to get one of these shirts. Why don't you hit me up at sackblacknation at gmail.com. That's sackblacknation at gmail.com. Right now we are promoting our book. It's called Stock Flipping, the New Side Hustle. I'll put the links down below. You really need to get that book and check out how you can get into stocks, how you can flip stocks. And I love flipping stocks, man. It's one of my favorite things to do outside investing, with some of the things that we're going to be talking about today. And that's outside investing with Stash and Robinhood, getting into 401ks, 457s, things of that nature. You want your money to be out there making money for you always in a day. Right now I'm just giving you guys a quick update. It is Sunday. I want to get out here and watch me a little bit of football. If you have been following us on the $5 challenge, you understand that we want to take $5 and put it into an Acorn account every single day, 365 days out of the year, and let that money grow over time. And that money will grow over time. It just has no way to go but up, because you are putting $5, you're investing $5 into yourself or your kids every single day. And we do it 365 days out of the year. The year is getting very close to being over here in 2020. And so we'll show you where we're at today with that account very soon. And I'm just going to tell you real quick why we do it. We do it because we don't want to be the average person. We want to be able to take care of our expenses. The average person doesn't have $400. If they had a $400 emergency, they could do nothing but stress out, try to go into debt to try to take care of something that they have to take care of as far as emergency is concerned. We will not be the average person. We'll be far beyond being the average person, because we're going to have thousands and thousands of dollars at our disposal just in case we run into any types of issues. And anybody to listen to me and you've been following the challenge, you have seen your money grow. And I'm going to go ahead and give you a round of applause for sticking with your plan, because I'm very proud of you for sticking with your plan. If you want to get started today with the Acorn, we're going to put the link below. Just click on the link, set up your account, and start putting however much money you want to put in. You can put $3, $2, whatever you want to do for you, whatever is comfortable for you to watch your money grow. And we want you to do this also with your kids, your nieces, your nephews. We want you to teach them how to invest, and let them know that when you're investing, it's not about being us and getting into a sprint. Is more about a marathon, and you're watching your money grow continuously over time. And you want to take, me personally, I want to take $5 and turn it into $15,000. So like I said before, you take $5, you use $5 every single day. You take that $5, you're gonna buy a latte, maybe put it in your gas tank, maybe buy you some lunch, whatever you're gonna do with that $5, right? So you're gonna take that $5 and you might blow it on something. Well, we want you to take that same $5. Don't get the latte. Go ahead and put that money into an account that will grow for yourself. Just take that $5, put it into an Acorn account, and let that money grow over time. And you will see your money go from $5 to maybe $15,000 if you continuously grow your account. So we want to take you from that $5 state and put you into a $15,000 state by continuously doing what it is that you need to do to grow your investment. And that's by putting $5 into an Acorn account every single day. Now, we've been doing this particular challenge for a while now, and to be terribly honest, I'm going to tell you, after when COVID hit, we took a little bit of money off the table. We set it to the side just in case, something we had to take care of some problems, some events or whatever. So we took some money off the table. So, but we kept it going. We kept it going. We did not take all the money off the table. We kept it going. So we're going to show you where we are today with our Acorn account real quick, because like I said, it is football day, and I know you guys want to get out there, watch your football. Ooh, excuse me, man. Ooh, watch out. Watch the football game and take it easy. So we'll show you where we at right now. You can see right now that this account is at $2,742.60, and that's just by putting $5 into an account. Over time, the money just continuously grows. We want you guys to get into that. We want you to do that. If you want to do that, get started today. You can click the link below. Understand that Acorn will actually give you $5 for doing this. They'll actually give me $5 for telling you about it. So I gotta let you know they'll give me $5 if you actually click on my link. Be a great win-win situation. It's all to the good. I'm going to continuously do what I have to do to grow my black wealth here in the United States, and I want you guys to do the same thing. So click the link below. Get started today. Also check out my book, Stock Flipping, the New Side Hustle. Learn how to do some stock flipping. Learn how to get in and trade stocks, and learn how it actually works, how stock works full circle. I want you guys to really get in and grow your black wealth. Do the things that you need to do for your family. Outside politics, we have to do the things that we need to do as black people to grow our black wealth here in the United States. And that is what's up. Like I said before, you want to get your hands on one of these Sack Black Nation, just Google it shirts. Go ahead and hit me up on the sackblacknation@gmail.com. This was your boy Vic Johnson from the Sack Black Nation. I hope you have a good day, good week, good month, and a good year. Remember, civil liberties without civil dollars is nonsense. You're only earning and learning in life. You only lose when you do not try, and it's only lessons or blessings. It ain't never a bad day. That's what's up all day, every day. Once again, man, you can check me out on Facebook, Sack Black Nation. Check it out. I'll friend you. It's all to the good. Check me out on Instagram. And you can check me out here on the Sack Black Nation at yahoo.com. Tell a friend. Like, share. Send a notification if you want to be notified when we got the next videos coming out. That's all I got for you. Let me go check this game out. I'm out. Peace.